Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Babbel language learning account to start your language education journey, follow these simple step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit babbel.com or download the Babbel app from the App Store or Google Play Store to access the language learning platform. Step 2. Click Sign Up or Get Started to create your account by entering your email address and creating a secure password. Step 3. Choose your target language or languages that you want to learn through the Babbel platform. You can always add more languages later. Step 4. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Babbel sent to the email address you provided during registration. Step 5. Open the verification email from Babbel and click on the confirmation link or button to verify your email address. Step 6. If you didn't receive the verification email, check your spam or junk folder, or log into your Babbel account and request a new verification email. Step 7. Complete your learner profile by selecting your native language, learning goals, and current proficiency level in your target language. Step 8. Choose your Babbel subscription plan and provide payment information if you're ready to start a paid subscription. Babbel also offers free trials for new users. Step 9. Verify your payment method by entering your credit card or PayPal information. Babbel may make a small authorization charge to verify your payment details. Step 10. Set up your learning preferences, including how many minutes per day you want to study and what time of day you prefer to receive study reminders. Step 11. Once your email is verified and your subscription is active, you can start taking language lessons, tracking your progress, and working toward fluency in your chosen language. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.